Hi, and welcome to City Update. I'm Sherry Kropp, and my guest today is Bridget Stevens, and we are going to talk about a first-time homebuyers program being managed through the city's Economic and Community Development Department. And we feel like this is very important information to share because with the rising cost of homes and the interest rates are going up, it could be a challenge for people that are trying to purchase a home for the first time, especially those with moderate or low income. So Bridget is here to share this information about first-time home buyers program. So what can you tell us about this program?
The First-Time Homebuyers Program is part of the initiative for the City of Fayetteville to assist residents to be able to sustain successful long-term home ownership. So with that, we have partnered with Kingdom Community Development Corporation to bring us our housing counseling workshops.
And I understand you've had 1 or 2 workshops already, and these workshops will take place every month. Is that right?
Correct. The workshops take place every 4th Saturday of the month, and the next course is coming up on July the 23rd.
Okay. And what type of information will the participants learn in these workshops?
The workshops are an 8-hour course. They start at 8:30 in the morning, and throughout the day they focus on areas such as goal setting, developing a household budget, a spending plan, working on your credit, talking about the role of the realtor, the role of the lender, etc.
A lot of great information there. And once they go through the workshop, then they will be eligible for some funding. Talk about that.
Yes. After you complete the workshop and go through your one-on-one counseling, you are eligible to receive up to $20,000 in down payment assistance to purchase your home.
That's great. And in these workshops, they have the counseling on various different things that will help them not only be able to purchase a home, but after they get in the home, maybe some budgeting and things like that that they'll learn how to sustain.
Correct. Yes, we also focus on household maintenance and other things that you really don't think about sometimes coming from renting going to homeownership.
Right. Okay, so if someone is interested in participating in the First-Time Homebuyers Workshop, how do they register?
They would need to contact Kingdom Community Development Corporation, and they would do so by calling 910-484-2722.
Okay, and I would imagine that the classes probably fill up pretty quick.
They do, so you might want to go ahead and call today.
Yes, but if they can't make it to the next one on July the
23rd,
there will be a workshop every month, right?
Correct.
Okay. Well, thank you for that great information. And if you would like more information about the programs offered through the city's Economic and Community Development Department, be sure to visit the website at fayetteville.nc.gov/ECD. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.